Good morning students, welcome to general knowledge class. Today we are discussing new lesson, 12th lesson, modes of travel. The different modes of transports are air, water and land transport, which includes rails or railways, road and off-road transport. Other modes also exist including pipelines, cable transport and space transport. There are mainly three different types of transportations are there. They are land transport, water transport and air transport. Let's discuss one by one. What is the meaning of land transport? Land transport is the transport or movement of people, animals or goods from one location to another location on land. The two main forms of land transport can be considered to be rail transport and road transport. These are the example for the land transport, that is bullock cart, cars, ambulance, cycles, tractor, buses and motors, etc. These are traveling on the land, so we call land transports. Next is water transport. Water transportation is the movement of water over larger distance. Methods of transportations fall into three categories. Aqueducts, which includes pipelines, canals, tunnels and bridges. Container shipment, which includes transport by tank truck, tank car and tank ship. These are the examples of water transport: boat, yacht, ship, okay, and submarine. These are the examples of the water transport. Next is air transport. The movement of passengers and cargo by aircraft such as airplanes and helicopters. Air transportations has become the primarily means of common carrier traveling. Air transportation also provides a communication or medical link which is sometimes vital between the different groups of peoples being served. Then what are the examples for the air transport? These are the examples of air transport, that is jet airliner, biplaner, helicopter, fighter plane, seaplanes, cable car, airships, hot air balloons and microplanes. These are the examples of the air transport. Next A. Circle the odd one in each of the following pictures. Now we understood what are land transport, air transport and water transport, right? So here is the picture. You need to identify the odd one. Means, so here bus and car are, these two are the land transport because these two are moving on the road, right? But this ship is traveling in water, moving in water. So this is the water transport and these two car and buses are the land transport. So circle the ship. Circle the ship. Okay. Next is here rocket, aeroplane and trains are there, right? So here rocket and aeroplane are, these two are the air transport and train is the land transport, right? So here this is the train is the odd one out, so circle the train. Okay. Here boat and ship are the two water transport and helicopter is the air transport. So this is the odd one out, circle the helicopter. Okay, circle the helicopter because this is the air transport. These two are the remaining two are the water transport. First one, fastest mode of travel. Which is the fastest mode of travel here? Which one is the fast traveling vehicle here? So this is the airplane, car, ship. Which is the fastest mode of travel? Which one is moving faster here? Either aeroplane or car or ship. So airplane is moving fastest. So circle the fastest mode of travel is aeroplane. Second one, a mode of transport that can run on electricity. So which one is run on electricity? Car, bicycle or train? So car needs a diesel and bicycle doesn't need petrol, diesel, right? So next is train. Train needs the electricity. So circle the train here. Third one, a mode of transport that runs on petrol. So here three are there. You need to find which vehicle is needed to run on petrol. So that is car, parachute or boat. Which one is needed petrol? That is car. So car need a petrol. So circle the car. Okay, circle the car. Fourth one, mode of travel by air. Which one is travel by air? Here which one is the air transport? Helicopter or car or scooter. Which one is air transport here? So that is helicopter. Circle the helicopter. Okay. Understood, students? Thank you.